Hey traders, welcome to Coffee with Keith, looking at the Coffee Cash contract. If you remember yesterday, we were talking about these recent highs. Well, not recent. They were initiated the end of 2020, the beginning of 2021, and they've been holding for a while, and we're back up at this area again, and they seem to still be holding. Today we had an up day. I went ahead and put the rising wedge and the potentially forming head and shoulders pattern on this bigger chart that I didn't have yesterday. Yesterday I just had this area here, so I just went on ahead and added this so we can see, have a better picture of what we're actually looking at. So we're pushing back up to these highs again. We still could potentially push deeper and finally test this wedge resistance area. We haven't made any newer highs yet. So far, I'm looking at this here as a lower high. We made a high here, then we had the low, higher high, higher low, and this seems to be a lower high at the moment. So, looking at the 30-minute time frame, if you remember, we were inside of a descending triangle here, which is now invalid. We pushed right up through triangle resistance. This support resistance area here pushed right up into it. It was holding for a little bit at the beginning of the session, but then at the end, towards the end, we just pushed right up into it. Price does seem to be a bit extended and seem to be exhausting a bit. We'll see if that's the case. We could easily continue to push back up into this area. We could get a pull back into this previous area before pushing up, or we could just break down and close back below this area, and this holds as resistance. We get a test and then look for a move down. So there are plenty of ways that we could play this right now, just looking to see what the candles will show tomorrow after the open. But that's pretty much it for now. I always want to remember the bigger context. We are at some very crucial levels. We have a couple of patterns up here at these levels, and I'm just trying to take advantage of little moves during the day for now. So that's all I have for you, and I'll hopefully see you guys tomorrow. You guys, I hope you had a great trading day. Happy trading.